Uh-oh guys, we are out on something a little different today. Today guys, the team over at Energy Powersports has hooked me up with this amazing RXT-X 300. So guys, you know we're going to go out and rip it on Lake Ontario today. So hope you'll come along with me, see what this baby's all about, and we'll go from there. All right, let's see what we can get up to. So guys, this is us just coming out of the Bronte Harbor near Oakville, and we're going to head out onto Lake Ontario and put this little baby through its test and see what it can do. I am so excited. So like I said, this is the RXT-X 300. It's got the speaker system on it. I mean, the beautiful yellow. But the more and more I look at it, the better it gets. I mean, it's got the Irigo pad locks on it. I gotta be careful, there's tons of seagulls here. I don't want to get crap on it. I will say it does not have my mounts on it because this isn't mine. I'm just demoing it from the guys over at Energy Powersports. So the camera angles are going to be limited, but we'll still try to get you some cool shots. And if all goes according to plan, just some drone shots of this thing as well. I don't know if my drone can keep up to this, but we'll see. Right, here we go, guys. Out onto Lake Ontario again. The real question is which way to go. Do we go, I think we go down towards Hamilton. I mean, it's almost glass out here today, so I think we'll head that way and see how far we can get and just have a good time. So we do this. So I'm just adjusting the trim to how I like it. Go like that for now because it's flat. And let's see what we got mode wise. Sports mode, eco mode, no, eco off, sports mode. Yeah. Let's go with sports mode. And then we'll play with it as the day goes on. All right, we're clear of the harbor. Let's head out. Here we go, guys. Oh. Well guys, I gotta tell you, I love this thing. It's so good. And it sounds nice. It handles well on the water. It's got all the storage that I want. Yikes. Might be in a bit of trouble. Alright guys. Well, like I said, I mean, it's a bit humid, so visually not the greatest of days to be out shooting video, but man, being on the water is always good. So let's you know what, because we've got some nice wind right here, let's throw the drone up in the air, get you some shots from there. Okay, so the next thing you see, this thing ripping with some drone footage, as long as I don't fall off. Oh, I love it. I love it. I think we're just gonna rip it for this little bit here. So enjoy this little bit, because you know I'm going to. Let's go. Wait, nope, hold on, I stopped it, so I gotta go back to sports mode and select. All right guys, time to have some fun. I swear, I hope my hat doesn't come off. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my God. Man, this thing's got some power to it. I love it. I mean, I'm making great time. I wish it wasn't so rolly tonight. There's probably been wind for the last couple of days. I mean, if it was glass, man, oh, I just want to punch this thing and see how fast I can get. Like, just easy. I'm doing like low, mid to high 80s and like 90K without even trying. Like, literally, I'm not even touching the gas. I'm doing 90. I'm hoping I'm going to find some calm water somewhere. Maybe we'll go over that way a bit, because everything's coming this way. So yeah, because guys, oh my God, this thing is fantastic. So, and I've been out for about an hour of ripping. Haven't even dropped a bar yet. And I'm you know, the engine's on, I'm moving. So all right, let's keep making our way towards the harbor and see. Maybe there might be some flat water in there. I don't know if you're allowed to rip in there, but we'll see what we find. All right guys, so we made it to the Hamilton Harbor, and we're just gonna go in underneath the bridge, turn around and go back out, because I want to see if we can go that way a little bit and just see what's that way. I've never really done that side, so we'll just kind of go in here quick, see what we can see, and go from there. I will say a little note on this unit, anything under 50K an hour, if there's some waves and stuff like that, you will get splash. I mean, it's nice, but on a hot day it's great. If it was a cool day, I don't know, but I noticed that you get more front splash on this unit. Anything once you're over 50, you're really bouncing on top of it, so it doesn't matter. But just notice that right there, like I just got water came into the footwell there on these little rollers here, so just something to look out for, guys. Okay, I think we hit, I'll have to check, I believe we hit 112. 112 kilometers, and it was like nothing. Oh my goodness, that's not even right. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you my halfway point review. This machine has stupid power. This machine has stupid curve and turn ability. This machine is super fun. Like I said, when we got some going with the wind, my big body, I'm not a light man. I think we hit 112, which is I've not hit that before, so that's amazing. You will get wet on this unit. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's not like GTX where it's more for comfort and ride. You will get wet. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but and I'm pretty wet. So, but this is, I mean, this is the machine that you use in the summer when you're out on the lake, having a blast, out with your buddies, just having a good time. This is an amazing unit. I don't know, now that riding it for a bit longer, for what I do normally with the adventures and exploring, maybe not the unit I want to get now. Just now that I notice how much water you actually get covered in on it, it doesn't really go well for me. But like I said, if I had the ability to have more than one Sea-Doo, I would buy this one, because there's a lot of fun to it. There is a lot of fun to it. Alright guys, well, as you can see, we've made it back to the docks, so just want to say thanks for coming out on this one. Thanks to Energy Powersports for hooking me up with this demo. Hopefully we'll get a couple more out there before the season's done. And guys, just make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, keep the comments coming, and we'll go from there. We got more adventures coming, so until the next video, be safe on the water. Peace. Got water in my mouth. Ooh, that's probably gonna kill me. Wow, guys, wow.